is going on here is this chicken was seared on the stove, and it's going to be cooked here in the crock pot. The main dish here, I think it's got kind of a Creole flair to it. The chicken used in this jambalaya by the cook was chicken raised here on my plot. The main dish here is a paella. It smells almost like a jambalaya. All right, folks, I'm about to eat dinner here at the Casa Colonial in the town of Puerto Plata. This Casa Colonial Resort and Spa is in the Playa Dorada complex. So let's go through what we're having. So the main dish here is a paella. And it smells almost like a jambalaya. I think it's got kind of a Creole sort of flair to it. It's got octopus, conch, shrimp, clams, chicken, chorizo. The chorizo is a sausage-like stuff I mentioned, and rice. And it smells good. It smells like jambalaya. Then we've got bread here. Nice amount of bread. Oh, that bread looks real hearty. Here, let's give a taste. Quick taste. That's nice and crispy. Okay, folks, this chicken, some of the chicken that I've raised here this year, part of what I harvested actually back in the spring some months ago. And what is going on here is this chicken was seared in a pan on the stove, and it's going to be cooked here in the crock pot. I believe this is going to be made into a jambalaya type dish or something else. But anyway, I raised the chickens, but I'm not doing the cooking. So just want to encourage you, the old skills of being able to cook are very important. I know not all women, but sometimes the ladies are looking at the skills of cooking as something demeaning or whatever. But I tell you, food prep and cooking skills are still essential in the home for quality good eating. And again, I raise these chickens. I'm not cooking this particular chicken, but I did raise this as part of what I raised and processed. When I say process, you gotta kill the chicken, pluck them, etc. So those of you that are looking to get married and start a family, you need to bring as many skills as you can with you and not have this sort of modern negative mentality that it's demeaning or makes you less of a person to maintain and learn the old skills. Because actually, in times of crisis, with the inflation and so forth, unless you are super wealthy, it's going to be to your advantage just to have some of the old skills of cooking, and as well as being able to raise garden and raise poultry and other things. So this jambalaya smells really good. The chicken is from one of the chickens raised on my plot here, and I'm going to turn this camera off and try some of this very aromatic smelling fantastic jambalaya. Okay, folks, I have tasted the jambalaya and went ahead and got me a full bowl full, and the chicken used in this jambalaya by the cook was chicken raised here on my plot. You see sausages in this jambalaya too, of course, and the green on top is bell pepper. And I got me some crackers with this. I just wanted some crackers. There's already rice in the jambalaya, but wanted some crackers. It's very tasty. So I am going to continue enjoying this jambalaya from chicken raised here right on yours very truly on my plot.